check how to create database schema in PHP Xampp. So we are seeing we have many different tables and column here, and this is PHP my admin. Now you will click on some table. We want to check database schema. Then come on more and designer. We have seen we have got all these. Now we can arrange it as we like. We have different functions here to perform here. We can also export database schema or also control functions here. If you want to export database schema for your SRS, you can check. Here is it.